And this is the final result. As you can see, looks so beautiful. I really love it. Looks so elegant and beautiful. Looks like it's expensive. It's handmade, of course it's expensive. It's really valuable and very beautiful, and you can wear it on like a dress with a crop top, crop end. It will look so beautiful. I hope you like this video. I really hope you like this course, and it was easy and showed you everything. And if you need anything or you have any question, please let me know. Send me a message or write down in the chapters. Ask me anything. I will so gladly answer your questions. I really hope you like the final project. I love it so much, especially for the beginners. I really hope I showed you everything in details so you can make it with me. I'm happy with the final result. I really hope you like it too. And thank you so much.